Hello, we are going to demonstrate the Spreebie navigation feature from a small town in South Africa called Ladybrand. It's a pretty rural place, but the maps still work perfectly. So, in this area that we have two Spreebies, that is two products, and we want the chamomile product. So, it seems that the chamomile product is 1,300 yards away, and it's sold by Winston LaRouche. So I'm gonna speak to Winston LaRouche before I get navigated to him. Okay, Winston just responded. He's open. So what do I do when I get there? I just asked what I do when I get there. Cool. He'll be standing outside a yellow house. Cool. Cool. Okay. Time to get the Spreebie. And this takes us to a map. This takes us to a map. Sorry, just a second. This takes us to a map with a tab, a segmented control there for walking and driving. So since we're driving, we're going to tap driving. No, Isha. As you can see, the blue dot is moving there, indicating that we're moving. We are the blue dot. Winston is the red dot there, labeled Winston. These are the directions. The yellow, the green thing represents where we are, and the red thing represents where we're going, which is Winston's location. Here we are passing a roundabout at a curve, and that's exactly what's represented here. So the navigation thing is working pretty well, perfectly, as you can see. The directions. So we're gonna, since it's a straight shot to get there, we're gonna turn right at a street called Dan Pierna Street, which is represented by the right turn there. So we're traveling. This is the small South African town of Ladybrand. Uh, Here we are. We're moving. As you can see, the blue dot is moving perfectly. Small town of Ladybrand. We are moving towards Winston LaRouche, who sells chamomile tea. Almost there. Well, it appears to be, according to the map, it's the next right. It should say Dan Piernaw Street. Here we are, navigating. It appears to be the upcoming right over there. Uh, there you go, right there at the garbage thing. You see Dan Piernaw Street. I don't know if it's legible, but we are turning right now, and I can see a yellow house. That is where Winston is, and I can see Winston. And there is Winston. So I'm gonna go out now and buy the stuff from Winston. And to buy the stuff, you have to tap. Okay, let's go to directions first, and see where we are. Winston is at 25 to 27 Dampier Street, and we are at 26. So we just passed Winston just a little bit, but we're, we can see Winston. So the checkout button only works when we are close to Winston. So we're gonna check out. This cannot work until I'm next to Winston. So I'm gonna go to Winston and then I'll tap checkout. So I've arrived at Winston's place. So I'm gonna get the chamomile from Winston. Uh, here we go. That's Winston right there.
Hello, man. Hello. That's your chamomile.
That's the chamomile right there. So we're gonna pay Winston his money and get the chamomile tea. Uh, there you go. From there, you can select the payment and then you can buy. That's it. Hi, so we're gonna demo the Spreebie cashless payment system, and we're gonna do it using credit card. So as you can see here, we already have a credit card entered into the system. You do that by adding a new card and you enter the card details and then you save them. At which point the credit card will be verified and then it will be added into the system. So we've already done that. We pick out the payment method, which is the credit card that already exists. And there you go, it's selected now. And from there we simply buy. We're buying this, the chamomile, for 90 South African rands. So let's go. Success. Congratulations on your purchase. It's been successful. Okay? From there we go back again.